Now we're going to add 2 more vegetables here. I'm going to take a white onion, and discard our skin. We dice the white onion just like we did the red peppers and the red onion. Take that, add it. We're going to take a jalapeno. I'm going to cut off the top and cut right down the side. Now you may want to use a glove for this because these seeds are very hot and that's what we're removing. We'll get rid of the white as well. And the reason why we're getting rid of the seeds is that's where most of the spice is. And we want the flavor of the jalapeno more than we do its spiciness. So without the seeds and cut in these little pieces, you'll still get a crunch and a tiny blast of spice, but it won't be overpowering.